What's up, everybody? This is Defender 21 back once again. And what you're looking at here is a 12-inch Mikado brand box fan, manufactured back in the mid to late 70s in Japan. It's a Cool Air Super Deluxe 3-speed with oscillating, rotating front grille. Pretty interesting fan here, to say the least. To employ the rotating grill, the fan uses a little four-wing prop that's stationed in front of the fan blade and uses the fan's wind power to rotate that prop, and rotates a gear mechanism that's in the front there to facilitate the rotation of the front grill. The little switch here acts as a brake, which stops the fan blade in turn stopping the grill from rotating. And you can switch it on and off as you like. It's a 3-speed fan. Take a look here at the logo. As you can see, it is a musical note, which probably meant that the company probably specialized in the manufacture of musical instruments in Japan. And they probably tried their hands in the fan game just like a lot of companies did in the 70s and 80s, and probably didn't fare too well. As this fan is pretty uncommon. I've never seen one of these outside of this one. Picked this fan up from an antique store, and the fan motor was a little seized up when I got it, but pulled it up and it now runs fine. Without further ado, we'll give this thing a demonstration. Another bit of information real quick. That front badge there probably would have said Mikado as well, but when I was cleaning the fan up, the black ink, as you can tell, wore off. But at least the brand's still visible from the top. Low speed on the fan's pretty quiet. Yeah, you can tell the braking system on the fan's a little wore out. Sometimes it lets the fan blade slip. And here's high speed. The louvers on this box fan are designed so that half blow air toward the side of the fan, like the louvers facing the side are pointed up, so you can hear the airflow moving. And then the ones on the bottom are just aimed so they come straight out. And we'll go ahead and turn on the rotating grill mechanism. Now watch the fan blade as it takes off here. Take it down to medium. And take it down to low. As you can tell, the grill slows down substantially due to the fact that the fan is not pushing as much air. But you can still see the little fan rotating in there pretty fast. go and stop it once again. See the fan blade come to a stop. And we're going to shut it down. I'm going to pan around the back for you real quick, show you the back side. It looks almost like a TV. You can tell with the motor sticking right out of the back here in this. It says cool air fan, 30 centimeters, 110 volt, 50, 60 hertz, 55 watts, single phase, number 5531. It's a very interesting little fan here. I'm going to show you the top, and it's cool design on the badge there. Pretty interesting how the fan uses blue color scheme buttons on the fan, so it has a green scheme, which is a nice contrast. And I would say that this I think it's like it used to be yellow and green, avocado green. This probably was about that shade of color, but of course faded over the years. But anyway, that's about it for this video. So I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video on this very interesting 12-inch Mikado rotating grill box fan. And thank you for watching. Like I said, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.